Your voice, a symphony in my mind. Every note a treasure I find. Guitar strings hum with harmony. In this love song you play for me. Whispers in the night so clear, strumming chords that draw me near. Melody wrapped around my soul. In your arms I lose control. Singing our love loud and true. With every chord I'll fall for you. Electric sparks when you touch my heart. Never want this song to part. Together we create the sound. Our love lifts me off the ground. No silence can break this tune. Two hearts beat in perfect bloom. Singing our love loud and true. With every chord I'll fall for you. Electric sparks when you touch my heart. Never want this song to part. Till the last note fades away. In your love I wanna stay. Guitar and voice in sweet embrace. Forever lost in this music space.